Good morning students. Hope all of you are doing well. Today I am going to discuss about the exploring pattern. Okay. So in this things is one of the important things is that you have to find out the unit of pattern. Okay. So what is the unit of repeat or those things if you find out, then easily you can extend that any pattern if you know any unit of repeat. So here you see that exploring patterns with shapes. Look at the following pattern, observe the unit of repeat. So in this pattern you see this shape of this figure. So you all this after this shape, if you in rectangular box you see that after this unit of repeat, that this repeat is again here. So if you find out that unit of repeat, or if you find out the unit of repeat, then you can extend the pattern, any pattern. Okay. So observe the unit of repeat. So you see here the observe unit of repeat. Then we can extend any pattern if you know the unit of repeat. Okay. So you that if you observe this unit of pattern, then you can see that after that is again that this is a same pattern. Again you can separate. So after this what pattern will come? This one? Yes or no? Because see, this is the first pattern of this unit of repeat. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and see this one. So again here you have to draw this one. Then again this pattern will come. Then again one circle, again another circle, and again. So if you find out the unit of repeat, then easily you can extend. So here I am extending this pattern. So if you find out the unit of repeat, then easily you can extend any pattern. Okay. So look at the following patterns and observe their unit of repeat. So here also at first you find out observe this unit of pattern. So you see this figure. So at first you have to find out that unit of pattern. So here this is a unit of pattern. So after, if you find out the unit of repeat, then you can easily find out that you can extend that pattern. So see here, this one you also match, this one's also match. Okay. So here also you have to find out the unit of repeat at first. So here also you can make a box. See, this is a unit of repeat. After this things, the same things is repeating here. So after this and this, again this blue circle, then you red square, and then again yellow square, yellow circle. Okay. So look at the following pattern. The pattern is changing direction clockwise by quarter turn. So here also, but okay, before that you have to do this one. Try this, create pattern using the following unit of repeat. So after this, which this if this is a unit of repeat, so after this which figure will come? This one, then again this one, then after that if you extend that pattern, then again this figure will come, then this figure will come. Okay. So look at the following pattern. The pattern is changing the direction clockwise by quarter turn. So you see there's this quarter after the pattern is changing the direction clockwise by quarter turn. So if you take a quarter turn, this figure will come. Then after taking a quarter turn, this figure will come. After taking a quarter turn, this figure will come. So you see this is a unit of repeat. Okay. So after that the same things will come again here. So the butterfly, so in those pictures one thing is you observe that, so if you find out the unit of repeat, then easily you can extend any pattern. Okay. So these things you please remember. At first you have to find out the unit of repeat. The butterfly is rotating clockwise by half a turn. Okay. So see this, after taking a half a turn, this figure will come. After taking a half a turn, this figure will come, and again this will. So you at first you have to find out the unit of repeat. So you see this is a unit of repeat. After this same things will come again. After that same things will come. Okay. So if you find out the unit of repeat, then easily you can extend any pattern. See. So example 1, extend the following pattern. So here also you see the shape is rotating anti-clockwise by quarter turn, so the next in pattern will be this. Okay, so you see here, so after taking a anti-clockwise quarter turn, so this which figure will come. So this is a unit of repeat. This is a unit of repeat. After this same things will come. So which figure will come? This after this, so this figure will come. Yes, means this one, this figure will come here. Okay, so see here, so the shape is rotating anti-clockwise quarter turn, so the next in pattern will be this. Okay, see, so students, here I think some mistake is here. This is actually the wrong one. So you see here, after taking a rotating is anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means this way. So if you take a anti-clockwise by quarter turn, so this figure will come. After taking a quarter turn, this figure will come, and after taking a quarter turn, this figure will come, and after taking a quarter turn, this figure. After this figure, this figure. After this figure means this figure will repeat here, not this one, not this one. Okay, so this one is the correct one. So extend the pattern. So see this umbrella, so as the shape in repeating after 3 steps, the next it will be, so you see here, so this look at this umbrella, then after taking a quarter turn, this figure will come, then this figure will come after taking a quarter turn. Okay, not take, so this is a unit of repeat. So see here student, this is a unit of repeat. So after the same things will come. So after this, which figure will come? This one, yes or no? So in here actually the umbrella will be, so this figure, yes, this figure will come. See, this one match, but this one is wrong student. This figure will come. Okay, so as the shape, the following pattern is fast increasing and then decreasing. So in this, look at this circle. So here this how many circles is in? So you see here 1 2, then 1 2, and then one circle is outside circle is increased. So here also one another lines of circle is increased. So see here, so at first our aim is we have to find out that the unit of pattern we have to find out. Okay, so but you see that the following pattern is fast increasing, so increasing the number of circle, then again is decreasing. Okay, so up to this is increasing, then again is decreasing, and same figures is comes here. See, this figure and this figure is same, this one and this one is same, this one same, and this one. So up to this is that following pattern is first increasing and then decreasing. So let's see, there are patterns which are a combination of more than one change. Okay, so you see here in this figure, you notice that is more than one change. You see this. So at first we have to find out the unit of pattern. Okay, so here this is a unit of pattern. Yes, after this the same figure will come. So notice the changes in color as well as orientation of the arrow. The blue arrow follows the pink one and vice versa. So blue one is follow the pink one and vice versa. The blue also the arrow rotates by quarter turn clockwise. Reflection and symmetry is applied on a unit of repeat to create beautiful design. So see here in the design, the reflection and symmetry is applied on a unit of repeat. So you see here after this design, see this design, after this design will come. So reflection, so reflection and symmetry, same types of design is here, but opposite one. Okay, so and beautiful design create a beautiful design. So observe how the unit of repeat is used in each of these patterns. Okay, so you see this, if you find out that unit of repeat, so this one is a unit of repeat. then after that the same things will come. Okay, patterns with numbers create certain number of operations follow a pattern. Look at the following pattern in addition of consecutive odd numbers. Okay, so 1 plus 3, so central number is 2 and into central number 2, so 2 into 2 means 4. So here also you see this 1 plus 3 plus 5, so here central number is 2 and here central number is 3. So you see here 3 into 3 means 9. So also you tell 1 3 plus 1, so means 4 4 plus 5 means 9. Okay, so in this case also you see here that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. So in this case the central number, you see this in here 1 3, then here 5 and 7, so in central number is 4. Okay, so 4 into 4 means 16, and in this case 1 3 5 7 9, 1 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So in here actually which number will come? So in here central number is 5. So the central number in the above sum is 5. So the 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 equals to 5 into 5, so means 25. Okay. Similarly, we can extend the number sum further as follows: 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. So you see here that is actually odd numbers. How can you add those as addition of consecutive odd numbers? So you see here in this case the central number is 6 plus into 6 central number, so 6 into 6 36. In next number is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So in this case the central number is 7, so 7 into 7 means 49. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15. So in this case the central number is 8, so 8 into 8 means 64. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. In this case the central number is 9, because in this side the 4 number is here, in this side also 4 number is here. So 9 into 9 means 81. Okay, so example 3, extend the pattern. But before that you have to do this one, try this. So 3737 divided by 37. So when you divided it you will get 101. So when you divided it 5,65,656 divided by 56, then you will get this one. So if we divided this number by divided this 29, so how much you will get? So at first you start division, so you do this 29 29 29 29. Okay, so how much? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pair. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, so now you start, you do the division. So 1 at first, so 29, so then 2, but you know that this number is very less than this number, so we will put the 0 and 9 will comes. So 1 again, so 29. Okay, so this one is gone. So now is 2 again, this 2 will come here, but this number is very less than this number, so again 9 will come, but we have to put the 0 1. So again 1, so 29. So this 29 will go. Now is again 2 will come, then you have to put the 0, so 9 will come, so 1, so 29. So what will be the answer? 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, so like this way you have to solve these problems. And now that example is 3, extend the pattern 11 into 11 121, 111 into 111 1 2 3 2 1, then again you 1 1 1 1 into 1 1. So 1 2 3 4, then again they decreasing the number 3 to 1. So here which number will come? Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So the number of digits are increasing by 2. The next number will have 9 digits. So see, is it 9 digit or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's a 9 digit. So the digit in the number middle is equal to the number of digit in multiplicand or multiplier, if that is 5. You see that multiplier of 5. So 5 place that place 5 at the center and write other digit by counting down 4 places on both sides. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So I think, hope students, you can understand what is the pattern of this of those numbers. So like this way, if at first you have to find out that unity of repeat, then you can find out any multiplication, any extent of that pattern. Okay. Let's see that triangular and square numbers. In this chapter we will discover the patterns of numbers made with triangles and squares. Okay, so see this triangular number. We start from a dot and build equilateral triangles in increasing order using more dots. Okay, counting the dots in each corner of the figure gives us an interesting pattern of triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are formed by counting the corners that go on to make a triangle. Okay, see this, we are making a triangle. As more dots from bigger triangles, a pattern of bigger and bigger triangular numbers emerges. Okay, so see this here. At first you have to notice one thing, that what is the pattern of those dots. So the first one dot, then increasing by when adding is by 2 dots, then it will be 1, 2, 3, so 3 dots. But here again increasing by 3. So in here actually that difference in between 2, then again here 3, in these figures 4, then here 5. So how much is it, the order is increasing. Notice how dots are used to build bigger and bigger triangles. Initially there is only one dot. 2 more dots are adding to form an equilateral triangle. It will have 1 plus 2 means 3 dots. So see here, to form an even bigger triangle we add more 3 dots. So see here, so it is a odd number, this 6 is a even number. So when you add 3 more dots, then you will get a even then you will get a total number of dots will be 3 plus 3 means 6, even bigger triangle. Proceeding similarly, we get the following patterns of triangular numbers: 1, 3, 6, 4, 15, 21. So then 28. So after that, if you will increase that and dots, then you will get those. After that we will get the next pattern. Okay. So square numbers also like this way, like a triangular. Here actually we are using the square. So 1 the square, so 1, 2 square, so means 4, 3 square, so means 9, 4 square, so means 16, 5 square, so means 25, 6 square, so means 36, and then 7 square you will get 49. So like this way we are increasing the pattern. Notice how so we start from a dot and build squares in increasing order using more dots. Counting the dots in each corner of the figure gives us an interesting pattern of square numbers. Square numbers are formed by counting the corners that go on to make up a square. As more dots from bigger squares, a pattern of bigger and bigger squares numbers emerges. So notice how dots are used to build bigger and bigger squares. Initially there is only one dot. 3 more dots are added to form a square. It will have 1 plus 3 means 4 dots. So to form an even bigger square we add 5 more dots. The total number of dots will be 4 plus 5, 9. Proceeding similarly, we get the following patterns of square numbers like this way: 1 square so means 1, 2 square so means 2, 3 square 9, 4 square so 4 for 16, 5 square so 25, 36 square so means 36, and so on. Okay, so these are the very easy patterns. So you do this, students. In here some questions is here. You see that at first you have to find out the unit of repeat. If you will find out that unit of repeat, then easily we can extend the pattern. Okay, and here also some questions is here, so you please you do it. And in my next video I will discuss about this revision exercise. Okay, thank you, students. Bye.